Hi, Contessa. Thank you very much. Well, financials getting crushed today at 52-week lows. Group digging even deeper into the red. Names like J.P. Morgan, Citi, Goldman Sachs, Wells Fargo, Bank of America, all selling off over the past 3 months. So is the worst still ahead for this key group, or is the bottom in for the banks? We've got Matt Maley of Miller Tabak, Michael Bapis of Vios Advisors at Rockefeller Capital Management to weigh in on that. So, Matt, obviously very, very ugly charts, as we just described, but are they yet so bad they could be good?
I think they are. I think they're getting that way. And it's funny because I've been quite negative on the group all of this year until now. I just think we're seeing the kind of capitulation that's washing out the group. The problem is that, we can never catch the absolute low and catch the falling knife. So what I think people want to do over the next 2 weeks or so as we get towards the election is pick their spots, buy it here and there. But if you look at that chart, you look at either the KBE or the KRE, its weekly RSI chart is getting very oversold. In fact, the last 3 times it got this extreme, the group bounced very sharply. The smallest bounce was 38%. And they're also approaching their 200-week moving averages, which provided great support back in 2015. And of course, the thing is, it's a midterm election year. Every single midterm election year going back to the 1950s has seen a rally in the last 2 months. I think that the groups that are really beaten up, that are washed out, are the ones that are going to do the best. And when the rest of the market washes out, I think this is the one you're really going to look good at if you're buying it now. Again, you don't want to buy it all at once, but it's going to be a good group come December.
Contrarian play there. Michael, quickly, the fundamentals haven't much changed, and people think they're okay. So are the stocks cheap enough?
Exactly. I mean, we've had such a tough October. There's been nowhere to hide. Everything's gone down. There are so many distractions. But if you really look at the fundamentals of the group, they are there. And we think there's going to be a sector rotation from the high flyers, from the low earnings, into the companies who can make money. The biggest question in the space is, will economic growth continue? But valuations are very attractive. I mean, the sector is trading at 10 times next year's earnings, and you buy companies like that with high dividend yields, you're gonna win in the end. So we're as we said before, it's not everything at once. It's piece by piece, but long term, we're very positive.
All right, looking to lean against the wind here, both of you guys. Thank you, Matt and Mike. For more Trading Nation, head to our website or follow us on Twitter at Trading Nation.
Short selling can help you profit from a stock's decline. However, because it involves unlimited risk, you must have a plan. First, screen for poorly rated stocks showing weakness versus the broad markets. Second, look for the stocks with the poorest technicals in that group. And finally, incorporate risk management techniques into your order to limit potential losses.